Go. In the aquatic chamber, we used male and female betta fish and aquatic plants, pebbles, and water. On 9-3-10, observation 1. We start out with 18 centimeters of water. Then the conductivity was 24 centimeters, the pH was negative 28.37, and the dissolved oxygen was 0.4 ppm. And the glass looks foggy, the fish are alive, and the cricket is dead in the water. On 9-9-10, observation 2, we still have 18 centimeters of water. The conductivity is still 24 centimeters, the pH is negative 4.49, and the dissolved oxygen is 0.6 ppm. Water level went down. There's gross white stuff in the water. On 9-14-10, observation 3, we have 17 centimeters of water. We still have 24 centimeters in conductivity, and the pH is negative 28.37. The oxygen is 20 ppm, and the fish are still alive, the plants are fuzzy, there's white substances, and the other fish are gone.
In the terrestrial chamber, we started out with 1 bell pepper plant, 3 crickets, and 8 centimeters of soil. On 9-3-10, we observed the soil temperature, which was 22.4 degrees Celsius, the air temperature, which was 23.3 Celsius, and the barometric pressure, 29.32. The relative humidity was 100%. The CO2 was 5170 ppm. The oxygen 2 was 218827. And inside the terrestrial chamber, all of the grasshoppers jumped out, and the soil is much darker than it was, and a lot of the water from the aquatic came into the soil.
In the decomposition chamber, our materials where we put bananas in it, worms, and a few centimeters of soil. Our first observation was bananas are starting to get mold on them, and there's a grasshopper in it. The second observation on 9-9-10, the bananas have a little more mold on them, and the crickets are gone out of that chamber, and they might be dead. The third observation on 9-14-10, everything is green with mold, and nothing is alive. The grasshopper went in the water and is dead, and the worm that was in there went into the water and it died. The temperature for the first observation was 23.5 Celsius. For the second observation on 9-9-10, it was 23.6 Celsius. On the third observation on 9-14-10, the temperature was 24.2 Celsius.
This relates to everyday life because it's like the chain of life.
First, you start out with, and you need water to live. Then the water provides nutrients for the plants.
The fish had to survive with what they had in its chamber. There are ecosystems everywhere, and that is our conclusion.
Yes!
Yeah.